Welcome to another JeaKen video. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Benefits of Evista hormone replacement therapy. Menopause is a dreaded condition by many women, simply because of the horror stories they hear by women who have gone through it. The situation is compounded by the simple fact that there is really no one effective solution to make the whole experience more tolerable for women. Add to the fact that hormone replacement therapy (HRT) is no longer the white knight treatment that doctors thought, and you have a big problem on your hands. However, many experts feel that Evista hormone replacement therapy might help turn things around. Pros and cons of HRT. After extensive studies on women on HRT, there have been some health concerns like an increase in heart attacks, blood clots, stroke, gallbladder disease, blood pressure, and even some types of breast cancer. Also, if you are only taking estrogen but not progesterone and still have your uterus, there is an increased chance of developing endometrial cancer. Of course, there are still some positives to report about in terms of treating menopausal symptoms. Your risk of colon cancer and osteoporosis is significantly lowered with HRT, as well as macular degeneration. The hot flashes and mood swings along with vaginal dryness is greatly reduced as well thanks to HRT. However, many women are concerned at the balancing act they are playing when it comes to dosages and wondering if they are going to fall within that percentage that is adversely affected. Positive moves in HRT. Luckily, there have been some recent advancement with HRT, and Evista hormone replacement therapy is one of these positive moves. Most current HRT treatments create adverse problems like the heart attack and stroke, as well as other symptoms. In addition, menopausal and postmenopausal women are at great risk of osteoporosis, something that regular HRT treatments did help. Therefore, the solution to help the osteoporosis and prevent those other adverse effects is Evista hormone replacement therapy. While it is not an actual hormone nor estrogen, the Evista hormone replacement therapy mimics some of the qualities of estrogen. Of course, the most important feature is the reduction of bone loss and the boost in bone density, which is perfect for minimizing osteoporosis. In addition, this Evista hormone replacement therapy does not cause any known problems in the uterus or breasts either. Therefore, you will have less occurrences of cancer, breakthrough vaginal bleeding, or breast tenderness. The only drawback of Evista hormone replacement therapy is that it is not very effective at alleviating some of the most bothersome symptoms of menopause, like hot flashes. However, with some changes in your diet like the addition of soy and even some natural herbs, those symptoms can be greatly reduced for many women. The important thing is the reduced risk of osteoporosis in menopausal women with Evista hormone replacement therapy. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, leave a comment and share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.